everyone, this is Cara DeSimone, a librarian from the Children's Department, with a little help from my daughter. Today we're going to make an adorable spring bunny using your handprint. It's easy to make and requires very little supplies. The craft is geared towards 5 and 8-year-olds, but anyone can make it. Little ones can make the bunny with a little help from a grown-up. The supplies you will need are paper. Colored paper works great, but if you don't have that, white printer paper works just as well. You'll also need a pencil, scissors, and then either colored markers, pencils, or crayons. Okay, let's get started. We're going to begin by tracing your handprint. You're going to want to trace it a little fatter than you normally would. Otherwise, your bunny will have skinny arms and ears. If you're right-handed, trace your left hand. And if you're left-handed, trace your right hand. The next step is you're going to cut your handprint out. To make it quicker for the video, we already cut ours out. Next, if you need to, you're going to cut a little slit by the little pinky finger to try and make it even with the thumb. Next, you're going to bend the pinky and thumb in so they can form the bunny's hands. Next, you're going to bend the center finger back, and then you're going to trim that off. Okay, you're all set to give your bunny a face and some ears. Let's start by giving your bunny some ears. Choose the color you like and color in those ears. Okay, next, give your bunny some eyes. And a little bunny nose. Don't forget your bunny's whiskers. Give him a little mouth. If you like, you can even give your bunny some little bunny feet. If you had fun with that, you can even make some friends for your bunny. We even used some yellow paper, traced our handprint, and made a handprint chick to go with our little bunnies. Have fun!